Are you ready to take your Lean practitioner skills to the next level? Our Certified Lean Facilitator program is tailor-made for current certified Lean practitioners who coach teams, lead improvement events, and sustain a culture of continuous improvement. This advanced training builds on Lean fundamentals and emphasizes the interpersonal, strategic, and facilitation capabilities essential to guiding lasting change and creating a continuous improvement culture. This program is offered as a standalone program with email support or for an additional fee with one-on-one remote coaching. The Certified Lean Facilitator program will teach you how to facilitate high-impact improvement activities like Kaizen events and VSM workshops. You'll learn how to coach teams and individuals for lean thinking using A3 and the improvement in coaching kata. You will learn to align organizational strategy and daily execution through strategy deployment and lean daily management routines. And you will lead change and build capability using frameworks such as training within industry. Finally, you'll learn about extending lean to suppliers and partners. You might be wondering how to get started with our e-learning. A great way to get started is to take our free trial. There is no obligation or credit card needed. Just click the link on the top right of your screen or in the description of this video to sign up. Then you can see how our system works for yourself. Our free trial includes a little course content from each of our major programs for you to check out. What about the benefits of e-learning? First, we have flexibility. Instead of requiring training at a particular time of day or for an entire day, participants can go at their own pace and access the system 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Next is cost. E-learning is much less expensive than any form of live training. When supplemented with live training, the total cost is still significantly lower. Finally, convenience. If you have team members in multiple locations, e-learning can make life easier. All of these benefits combined provide more value for you, the client.